Move. Move. It moved. Should be alive. Good. Good. Jesus Christ, fun. You give me a heart attack half the time. Now to learn in 2 minutes whether or not the weird ass robot is apparently having its own schedule, or if it doesn't have anything. Because that robot over there, that vacuum robot, I don't know why they have apps. It's a mess. Anyways, I'm finally on actual time, and well, time-ish, close enough. I didn't think about this too much. I didn't consider this too much, so wait, why's that now there? Will you go hide? You're usually not there. Why are you there now? You're not usually supposed to be there. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's there, but kinda just weird. Anyways, we left off somewhere figuring out how the crap we're gonna deal with this. The content system. Okay, now it returns the actual. I mean, I guess you can just return the process vision info directly like that. But I think this is less understandable than whatever we have here, the vision point. Compared to this, this at least tells you how many parameters you get back. At least directly. Oh, also, I learned after the fact, but apparently my last YouTube stream, yesterday's, was apparently on private. Entire time. Anyways, Vision Pi, I'm on this. I have tomorrow at least a stream. 24th is a huge quest. A huge black box. Huge black box over there. Anyways, Queen Vision. What's the plan here? The vision. Yeah, the vision is whatever it needs to be. I don't have a problem with that. That's the same as a mine. But mine is better. Okay, what's your conversation plan here? I guess we have to look into what keep being offset by one or something. Well, my thing is, no one there can read anything. Maybe I should make a bias toward this, like this. Yeah. This is pretty good. Anyways, our conversation has the custom message. Sure. Add message, whatever message. I'm just gonna keep mine, not yours. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna take this. Use a message. Add user message. I mean, that is a type of way to do this. I mean, it does have a. I guess I'm gonna take it only because. I'm only gonna take this because otherwise you'd have to run through the if. You'd have to, if you don't provide any images nor videos, you kind of get stuck with having to first initialize this, wasting resources. Then you have to go to the if, then else. Technically, speed-wise, So minor that you probably wouldn't ever notice it, but you know, why not? You know, why not? Interesting. Interesting. That needs to be exactly placed. Wait for a vid. Yeah, I was thinking about the vid instead of video. I think that's good. I think that good. Not good. Not easy. That be good. Returns to... Yeah. That's the messages. I'm gonna say format. Yeah, just the list of messages. Clear keep system. Wait, keep system. Oh yeah, and so, messages. Oh wait, do we have any? Well, actually, technically, if you have wait, don't you have system instructions? It doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know if I wanna. I'm gonna put that. If I wanna make system instructions its own variable or not, so I'll have to let's do this. Oh, but fine. It has to be a lot of messages. And the role. Okay, we'll have to maybe eventually come back to them, but right now, that is not the biggest issue. Little interface. Man, I gotta do shit. Or I'm in the middle of that. I'm in the middle ground. We'll see how this plays out. How do you propose we do with this? Let's see. Prepare generation inputs. I don't really care about that. Lazy mode if just prompt return it raw. Sure. Standard mode if conversation or images, build messages template and process vision. Okay, if prompt and not conversation and not images and not videos and not assistant prompt. Yes. Resolution. I don't know about this. Let's see. If conversation, messages, list, get, okay. We don't need... these kind of copies. I'm saying we'll modify the actual conversation. Or not. I don't know. What if we make something like if conversation? Maybe we could make maybe you can just make a parameter for it, like if a custom parameter. It's a custom parameter. Let's see. If prompt. Elif. Okay, prompt. Okay, you get the message in there. Okay, from the conversation. Yeah, sure. Elif prompt. You make a copy. Yeah, sure. Whatever. So, no. Okay, add generator assistant. Full prompt. Tokenize messages. Data. The messages. Is the problem here is that there's nobody adding anything to the messages, which is kind of the whole ass point. So we gotta think about from that perspective. How are we gonna deal with this? Well, there's a few ways. Not many, but a few. You could make a parameter. We could ask the generation config to have it. No, I don't want the generation config. I think if I remember correctly, the generation config is purely for the VM. And anyways, it would add confusion. Okay, let's start from the simplest case, I guess. So, let's go. I think this is simplest. If not, and not prompt. Then you would jump here directly. Ignore this, we'll do, I'll return this back to here. But for now, if... Oh wait. And not images, and not videos. Okay, but just build a rough logic here by ourselves. Why? God, why? Anyways, if not let's take all the boss with it. If not conversation and not assessment prompt and images and images or videos. But doesn't assistant prompt and don't these I'm pretty sure all three of these either way just videos. I think they all lead down the same path where you need to prompt wrapping here, prompt wrapping here. Where there's some kind of here, question mark. Let's do that. And if conversation, finally, if conversation. I mean, if it's conversation, then no matter what, you just do conversation dot add user message of the prompt images and videos. Whether or not those exist is not important to us. If conversation, I guess we kind of go through this shebang-ish. Create. Should it be aesthetic? Does it need to be aesthetic? I don't know. I go first. Okay. Maybe. What actually? Let's do that. Then we can easily just do yes for now. That's not what we're looking for. I'm gonna have to somehow see here. Okay, so you would all be kind of here-ish. And you would be returning the prompt. Another prompt. Well, do you? Wait. I don't know. Perfect. It's conversation object. What if we just go to who's the guy? Isn't it a little worker? Maybe. Who knows? Let's just go here. I don't know if I can clean this up anymore. Generation config. What if we could? What if we handled this? We had the conversation object here, and we handled add message. Multi-turn. We could make some kind of setting. Maybe our dialogue handler generally doesn't need to handle it. Maybe it doesn't need all that. What if it? So we'd have like the conversation. And it would need to grab all of these, which means we'd have to kind of get a factory for it. Conversation history factory. Okay, if, let's just logic it out. If conversation, then you do like, you, this, you add. There's like add. We do the check logic here-ish, but then we'd have to do the vision. I guess we wouldn't have to do that there. We would just provide them here. Still. That way we could only provide prompt with the images. Wait, no, but then it still has to deal with the images. So we'd have to deal with the images, everything here. In a thick ass way. Or we could just not. Okay, I think it's still better not to bloat this anymore. Yeah, I think it's better just not to bloat that. Focus on the interface. Prepare, let's say prepare prompt maybe? General inputs. Many questions. So we can have these. Or I guess we'd maybe just move them here. And have a technicality here. But then this would have to return some. Just because conversation is called doesn't mean they won't. I guess we could just do system prompt. Isn't that a very simple case? If not, else in every other case, just put those. Oh wait. Oh wait, maybe just do this. Actually, no, that was a good point from me. All of me had a good point. There's no point to that. Let's do that. Let's do the override like that. This is a lot more readable in the sense that it means that the it's easier to understand that these are valuable. Really valuable. Oh, but these are actually only used here. I wonder if I should get tokenizer, but I don't think I should be doing all of this in one function anyways. So let's take that out. So let's ignore this, call it some kind of conversation. Or prompt handler. Prompt. Prompt handler. We could make it this way. Maybe conversation could have a prompt formatter. Maybe? I don't know. Prompt wrapper, I guess. Okay, wait. Conversation? Convo. And for now, just for my mind's sake. For the sake of my sanity. Okay. Conversation. Well, you would be doing that anyways, so you don't need the ifs anymore. Okay, conversation, add message, prompt, images, videos, message, get message. Ifs. Yeah. Well, visual processor, and images, or videos. You go through this, you will go through this. That's very good. That's very cool. I don't think we would ever need that either way. So you would have this or something like this, vision processor. Damn, this is good. Good. Very questionable. Get messages. And then you need the last message. We don't know what that system prompt will be, so I'd rather not do that. But I also don't want to do double calls. Okay, what if I don't want to do it with organize? At least not here. Maybe we could send back the prompt. We could send back. Did we send back vision data? This is vision data, I guess. So apparently. Maybe? Unless you want the vision image inputs specifically. I can't remember what the heck that was. How do you do it? Oh, I got it. Yeah, it's the multimedia, right? Vision data. We return those, and for these. Assistant prompt. Vision processor channel. Well, I don't know. We'll have to think about that later. I gotta take a shit very soon. I'm about to blow. Just saying. If conversation. Self.convo handler. Let me give it the prompt, the conversation. Let me get the vision, vision processor. Let me give it the. I remember the rest videos, and then assistant prompt. Well, this is and vision data. Then the prompt. I don't think we need this whole thing anymore. Nor this. None of this. None of that. None of this. None of that. I guess this would be whatever this is. Oh, but wait. Is this? Oh, but the prompt. Which created the prompt. You have to make the vision data as to that. This seems annoying. That seems kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. There's a feeder. Model data. Is that how it goes? Is that how it goes? Oh man. Video quarks. I could just return. I could return them separately. Or what if you want to pass them around? But vision data will have to be something. Vision data. Processor orbs. Also, I just realized that vision data is nowhere defined. Ah, but if vision data is not defined, these won't be defined either. If this doesn't happen, then none of that will happen. Can you update? That update maybe? Maybe you can update the... Oh man. Maybe. How do you update edit object? You do not need to be thinking about that. Oh hell, let's go to holidays. Update B. Update new data. Oh. Oh. Vision data could be. Could be. Isn't it cheaper to just not do this though? Could do this. I could just not. So we could do this and then just update them. Then I'd have to make the I have to update one by one. But then I'd have to let them both out. I don't want to touch trust. Don't trust that either. There's a burrito. Oh. Update. Oh shoot. Do I? Ooh. Wait, can I? I don't think it would be better. It's better just to return and video logs separately or package them into Vision. They're both design choices here. What do you say? Oh yeah, I guess. Well, I don't think that's gonna be real, but I'm just gonna say this buys. This gives it one asset. Yeah, of course it's my update is broken because I never fixed it. E. And C. I don't know if you can you leave it empty? Maybe. Anyways, you send back those, now you got a supreme prompt. The supreme prompt overload. Oh wait, you don't even. Oh wait, no, you do handle it. You handle it. Okay, sapling parameters. Insane. Cool. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know where to put the... I mean, I guess they could be handled last. At the very least. Okay, first of all, we're not there yet. Anyways, if you don't have any kind of conversation system, Can you provide the conversation system? Not conversation. But isn't it obvious? It's kind of obvious that the next one is. I don't know where they jumped it. I must say. Else. Oh. Else. Well, this is kind of sort of depending on the assistant prompt state. The state of the assistant prompt. Oh boy. Okay, let's assume this. Let's assume this. You're most likely having the conversation system for all kinds of reasons. Most likely. Sus. You have it most likely. Now, there are special cases where you won't have it. Case 1. There's one. You've wrapped. You wrapped your own prompt. Well, you wrapped your own prompt. You handle your own prompt as a whole. Prompt or don't care. Or don't. By the way, we'll have to change the conversation name, I think. Don't care. So we put that in there. Like, let's see, case 2. Didn't wrap shit. Didn't do nothing. It didn't do nothing, so you're giving raw. Everything raw. If raw plus im/veg. If we have case 2, then we're in trouble. It's very likely you didn't do anything, so you gave the raw data. Everything raw. Add others. Footage. Let me indicate this properly. Or assistant prompt, I guess. Because then you need to deal with that. Well, if you wrapped your own, then we should just Right, override everything. I mean, I guess we can just add it. It's probably a lot custom wrap. Optional. Wait. Blue? Damn, will be optional? No. Custom wrapped. This might... This is gonna be so much easier. If not custom, if they're not custom wrapped, then we can just do all of this, I guess. I think we might be able to get away from it. We don't have the conversation system. Default is false. If you don't have the custom wrapped, then you have the conversation. We assume that. And you still need the wrapping here. Still need the message wrapping. You could process version later, but I don't want. You do like the still have wait, tokenizer. Let's tokenizer that. Does this make any sense? Basically just this. I think I get confusing though. Oh no. No, because then that becomes a mess. Okay, well, let's assume if it's custom wrapped, we will still assume that you haven't processed the vision yet. Okay, define vision. I don't know if I want to do this. Do you even need self? I don't think you need self. I don't think you'll have this. But we'll ignore it for now. And I guess video, well actually you probably need vision. Maybe. Ah, Jesus. Baddies. 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 La 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 la. Vision. That doesn't even make sense. I'm never gonna just return. Return. Video quarks. This may be stupid. But is it? Although I guess we... There's a vision. Look at the vision data. Return. Look, wogs. Oh wait, no, vision data. Vision data. Vision data. Vision data. No. But then... vision data needs to be weird. Everything's weird. Everything's so weird. Oh, crap. Okay, fuck. Let's go back here and think about this. I meant here. Not this. If it's not custom wrapped and there's no conversation, but we have the images and videos or the system prompt, then we'd kind of like to call this kind of his system. But I guess you can use an internal conversation then. You could just create an internal conversation. I Keep. Might be easier, in all honesty. Slash. Else, use a special set template. Okay, fine. Maybe config that conversation. I don't know how this is gonna work. For now, let's just think about the logic. Conversation equals conversation. Oh, instance. There's an instance. Oh wait, that can't be. That can't be. Because I don't think you provide that kind of stuff in the config. It's not an actual object that you provide. Do you? No, you don't. You can't. Can you? No, you don't. You do not. Can you? Maybe the conversation could be, can you have non-string objects? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Conversation. Conversation. Maybe it can be an actual. It can be a non-string object. Sure. Identity class. Do they have laws? Do they have laws about them? Let's see. Can. Classes have string objects. Complex, okay. So go to add a conversation here. Nice. Oh wait. whatever conversation we have. It is an internal cup. Ooh. Technically, in this simplification, if we just add this simplification, then we don't have to worry about if conversation. In fact, we don't have to worry about this at all. And we're done for the... And then we're done here, I think. Else? Well actually, else that's kinda it. I guess we just gonna skip everything. We're gonna just jump. Custom wrapped. Well, actually, if the prompt is just custom wrapped, that doesn't say anything. Maybe we'll create a vision, kind of a VLM vision processor, vision process like this. But for now, I gotta take a piss. Oh wait, awesome. I think I'm on like a shit. How am I going for? How long? Who knows? pop, pop. Got it. It was one hell of a shot. Wasn't too happy about German coming out. Anyways, where we left off was that we can now just, I think we can just always call. We can technically just always call the conversation piece. Conversation? Yeah. Conversation. We can always call the. We don't need this, but if it's not custom wrapped, we can always call the vision data handler. Yeah, I'm not gonna allow you to actually give the vision data. Am I? Or am I? One thing I forgot to think about is the fact that if you have previously handled data, if you have cache data, actually I think that would be in the that would be the conversation handler, not this. That would be something, but it won't be here. Anyways, the prompt, otherwise the prompt is just given. So whatever the case, the prompt will be handled. Oh. Oh wait, you're right. You're given those. Yes. Anyways, it always uses this. Well, actually, I don't think we need this anymore. We can probably just slap this bad boy back in there. Vision data or vision processor. Where is you? Where is you? Oh no! Very good. Process inputs. Anyways. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, videos. Process inputs. Messages. Oh. Wait, what? Well, it's handling my videos. Oh, it's that guy. This guy only process. La la la. I see. I see. But that's empty. Hold. This handles the data. Vision data. If it's not custom wrapped, it always handles the data. How about you? Even if it isn't, you know, this needs to happen. Even if it isn't back, I'm backwards. Doing things backwards. Now go back to your place. Get back to your place. I guess, or videos. Then it's gonna be that. Else, isn't data equal self-build process vision? Am I guess? Videos. Wait, actually, you don't even need that. You just need the message. Oh, bruh. I mean, you would get that from front. Assumes by default custom wrapping is Maybe give it one message? Maybe give it one singular message? I mean, pretty sure you can't. Huh? Image... Yeah, content, messages. Even if it's one, it's going to be prompt. Oh, L... Oh. Or the osh. Then you would do your vision data like this. It's gonna be weird. We'll have to clean this up later. You don't actually put that in there. Vision processor. Front and vision processor. Anyway. But you don't give... The images don't matter to this. I don't know what I'm smoking, but it's only important. Yeah. Just message. It's list. Well, actually, this isn't optional anymore. String, I guess? List of string? Can't remember. I can't remember. Well, I'm gonna assume if you're calling this, you're going to have everything. I think there's a pretty fair assessment here. Pretty fair expectation. Organizer. Oh. Ah. Vision processor. This is inputs. Really? Where is it? Whose ass is that? Oh. Processor. Well, now this is just getting weird, isn't it? Just self it. Self-death processor. Is that not real? I don't know. Where's a vision? Oh. Oh, you get... No, wait, what? Vision. Vision? Processor? Fuck. Oh, it does have a vision processor. Ridiculous. Processor. Sure that process inputs. I don't know. I don't even remember how anything worked. Deleted everything in the past. Process inputs, messages, I need the tokenizer for them. Verification reason. Oh, that's only for that. What are you even thinking? Just give me the patch size. Jeez, let's go. Well, it's kind of an optional link. How does it go? I guess you need optional. And the default is, let's see, patch size. Okay. Well, I'm gonna. Okay, well, they say default is 14, so I'm gonna call 14 it as well. Patch size? Well, image patch size, I guess. Image patch size. You only need it for that, so I'm not exactly eager to give you the whole tokenizer of that. Good catch. Fuck. So really remember this. Image processor.patch size. Actually, I think we should maybe not call that every time. No, it's fine. Probably. But patch size, yeah. So do this change the fish? Oh yeah. Isn't it going to be really confusing though? Yes. Are there going to be really much data? Much problem? Much show trouble, I believe. I meant. I'm pretty sure that was the special type. Oh, heck yeah. Now, what are the process vision info parameters? Yeah, probably that.
I'm just gonna assume.
What about process videos? I think. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where? No. They're not saying anything about how to do it. You please have a video. There you go. Did you already do that? Didn't you already do that? Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Fetch size. And then you return this. Good data. I am so proud of it.
This moment is if processor and actually I guess we don't need to do this here. We could I think we can do it here. Division. Actually, this would always just be, I think, process vision. Does it really need that? No, you don't. Yeah, you only like messy. Oh shit.
Ahem.
Vision data. Vision data. Whoosh. Loss. Oh, fuck. Messages equals prompt. But if it is custom wrap, then
I'm just gonna assume you did that.
Yeah. I'm just gonna say you're gonna be in trouble. Maybe? Huh? Huh? The Gwen will utils versus process vision. Wait. Vision info. Info method slash function. Does it care messages in case of in case the messages contains is intended to be continued, meaning the I mean the last message, the assistant prompt, checks prompt with a partially fill. Does it matter whether this is here during processing or does this button need to be empty? Wait, isn't that the more I think about it, I feel like there is an answer on this. What's the
Yeah. Walter turn.
I didn't have something on this very thing I'm pretty sure exists. Was it visionary? Yeah, I don't think it cares. Oh. Conversation? Sure. Wait, where's your process info? Son of a. Gosh dang it. Oh dang it. Oh dang it. Dang nabbit. Dag nabbit. Where's the offline? I don't know if that actually even matters. Let me see your weirdest thing. Messages. Aw. It doesn't show. Aw. It doesn't show a multi-turn example. Well, at least quite. It doesn't quite show it. But we may be able to infer that it does work. And doesn't care. Does it care? Does it care? Not there, not here, not here. Well, that's not gonna help us. That's not gonna help us either. Text. That's text.
Hey. I believe.
Oh well. Add IDs. Labels the images and videos for better reference. Sure. I'm not like arguing about that. IDs. Okay. Default. Without ID. I don't. Aw. Alright, yes. During the process. Need. Does it know? I don't know if Gemini knows. Or can find it.
Because I'm confused. I'm also good.
What do you mean, coach? I think I already have this. Ready, sure. That's not very useful. Holy crap, is that? Grounding Lancer. Jackson. The messages looking specifically for contact with type image. I'm not trusting that quite a lot. Weird how that is. I don't know, just looking here. Well, ethos. Vision pros. Oh, it's right there. On out? Okay. I don't know why you jumped there. Da 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 da. The torch vision. Let's read. Oops. Whoops. I guess I can just ask the guy about this. Here's the code for the process vision. For the I don't think it matters. I guess we can just and get message. All the text is that real. Okay, so they automatically handle that for me, so we can we get to simplify this.
I am glad. I am so glad.
Okay, you just return the messages. Oh. Awesome. Awesome. If not custom wrapped. Else. Prompt will be dealt with as the messages. Yes. Yes.
My God. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So unbelievable.
What the? Where's my man? My homie? You know that whole ass. Oh, prompt is gone. Hey, prompt. There you go.
I was like, where's prompt? Who is prompt? Oh, well. Somewhere is prompt. Prompt somewhere.
Who knows where? Up there. Prompt B.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, that was pretty simple. This is simple, I think. Well, you don't need the... Oh. But you don't need the conversation anymore. That's the wrapped.
That's wrapped.
You don't need that. You don't need that. You just use the self-deck conversation. Do you even use the processor? No, I don't. You're just handling the... You don't even use that. Use the... Wait, no, you use those. You use those. Awesome. Awesome. Television processor, you don't even need that. You need only the images, the videos, and that's just as prompt. And vision prompt, visioner, do just that. We got all of these, and then we have the...
That's good. That's good.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now ready to go to base. I'm just gonna tell that other guy to deal with my job. Deal with my problem.
I'm gonna start a new one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my PNG's not... My hat isn't here.
I'm not in the screen. I just said it.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You're so sad. And then click into something. Vision card. Okay, you need the film interface. Base the pie. Some of V2 interface? No. No. Vision the pie. Processor. There's the pie. I think that's 3 of them. That's all of them. We get the vision, we get the base, we get the interface, and we get the conversation. Conversation rate? We get all 3, baby. All 4, I mean. No. Okay. The notes, the important notes on these bugs. Film number of the pie. Let's see, base the part needs to add the conversation. Oh, okay. Conversation needs to be. Conversation the part might need renaming. along with its class. It just feels a bit, maybe it had raw. Is it going? Let's see. I don't know. The conversation pie just doesn't feel right. But to add a param pies base model config. But wait, what is base model config let's add a conversation or whatever it's renamed to parameter. Not sure. Parameter. Cool. Best point is to have that. The base might. Yeah. The base requires channel base. Wow. They call it channel base and John async base need to be updated to the conversation as of the conversation from config as a default as needed in the init. Also the base dialog generators need to be updated to updated will end the first time on that's we'll speak on soon. Okay, Vision Pi is fine. Vision Pi is fine. Vision Pi is fine, and we left alone. Here just for reference to this. For here just for context sake. Vision Pi is fine. Let me have the who's next? A conversation Pi. Conversation Pi. Will interface Pi handler needs renaming. And the faces are Pi's dialog generator in John Willem John Willem needs super. Base. I'm talking about my base, not your base. To remove conversation now automatically added in the base. The vision, the vision is unique. Unless, what do we want to add the vision here? It's not like it's a problem. I mean, most models are going to be vision based nowadays. Conversion to parameter. Similarly, add a vision parameter. Similarly, add a vision parameter for the vision. Come on, vision processor. Might be empty. Default and drop it. The vision is what's is vision model parameter? Vision model boolean. Conversation and vision processor from the config and init. Need to be updated soon. Vision renaming needs to be removed of the conversation. Conversation and the vision processor. Now base apply. Most model ones. It's ready to go. The load model. Oh wait. The face applies. Load model method needs to drop the okay, well actually maybe I could make them like this. Base that part. Okay, let me do this. What are you doing? Brother, what is that? Okay, let me delete. Place that part. There's that boy. The base dialog. Base dialog. Mention specified in the yellow section. Okay, now we have the conversation part. Why is it a bit wrong? Vision.py, vision.py. VL interface. Wait, by the way, this is vision apply, and that's conversation. Ah, yes, of course, conversation. I knew. Wait, is it? No, it's not double. It's one single. Or should it be? Automated in basic 5. Oh, model method needs to drop the modify is vision model to checking if the vision processor exists instead. Oh wait, this already kind of exists. Instead, it doesn't need to. It no longer. It also doesn't. It also doesn't. Also drop the instance that vision processor equals processor only the tokenizer as process that exist. Okay. Oh wait. Ah crap. Should we default it or should we not? Oh. Init.
Ah, wait, it isn't the configs? Ah, shit. Oh, man.
Init. Or use defaults. defaults or use defaults or use defaults. Defaults mentioned there's the part section. Processor. I don't think we need to load. Oh wait. She. Boo, ha. For me. Vision processor, vision processor. Similar. Drop the similar. Drop the fuck. Drop the check. Station. Defaults. Assume. To be clear, to be remember vision processor in base define the default for getting fetching the default fetching the vision processor and setting the conversation to the default conversation or the user or the user provided one. Oh, okay. We don't need those. We can have these. We can have these. The default. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Hmm. Hmm. Remove. Remove the from A. But A. Conversation. Station. Oops. Station. This is now. Handle now handle by the base by and even the user themselves will write code, will import themselves and import and provide the config. Update John will async after having updated. John needs to be updated to equal to John VLM while storing its current async nature. I think that's about all of it. We're already 2 hours, damn. Oh, yeah. Yes. There's vision. Rem. Let's see how brother does. Come on, brother. Oh, check the holes. Oh, wait, there's only 100 of these? Oh, wait, 39. Well, Christmas chores has started up again. I don't get it. It's like my lats or shoulders muscles are sore, but that doesn't make sense. I guess it does make sense. Push is the bench presses does use those muscles, I guess. Anyways, pretty good. La 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 la. Dialog manager? I don't know about that name. Manager? How does that feel off? and right at the same time. I kind of forgot about the whole. I think we need to. Conversation will lead to. There needs to be some form sellable limit on the number of messages in memory. Or say limit. I guess I'll think about saved. It'll, I have to. I'll have to add the support for the vision IDs eventually, or vision cache and vision IDs. The image cache and the IDs. The IDs. Oh. Okay, well, let's doing that. What did you name it? Well, I just went to dialogue. No. No. What's the who sets the limit? Hey, redo that. Oh, kind of different. I don't like this name so far. I think Dialogue Manager was the closest. Or maybe I can do it. Yep. Try again. And there's no temperature. Uh-huh. Okay. Now Google recommends strongly to give it to 1.0. Anyways. Chat history? Maybe. Station? Maybe. Settings. Chat history. You're a dick.
What a duck. Chat history.
Okay. Ooh, Max Patches. Ooh. Da-da-da-da. We're gonna get a DQ. Not like it needs to be. A list. Anyways, seems like it's not good. Pause. Limit. La 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 la. Ooh. Okay, base pot. Base.pot. Like, I'm gonna assume that I never trust you. Always do without trusting. Never trust.
Never trust. I will never trust this guy. Optional chat history base vision processor. I don't know if that's true.
But sure. Maybe I'm right. Chat history. Yes. Config chat history. So, system instructions, self-instructions, yes. Well, maybe I should make them system instructions. No, well. Love it. Love it. Yes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yes.
Get vision processor. Yes, that seems good. That seems good.
Very good. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. What's the rest of this? That's a base. It's a base. Okay. Off you go. Off you go. In the face. Out of the face. Damn. Now let's share this, Betty. This is gonna be the most dangerous and important one. Never trust this code. Approach everything with extreme care. Let us see. Let us see him. Oh, come on. No. Oh, you dick. You dick. Remove import loom. Save the params. Structure outputs. Request applicant. Actually, I guess we do want to keep this around just for verification. Async generator union. Okay. Engine using aluminum. The one engine using aluminum. Oh, I don't even know what this. Oh, it is. Well, this is it. Yeah, that's all that with. I'm thinking we can probably slap. You could probably just throw this in there as well. In the base. But for now, because it's not important, I'm not gonna bother with it. And the face mixing. Process vision. Vision data. Nah. I don't. No, there's already a default for it, so we don't need that. Pressure? Oh, because it. Fine. I don't know what other processors you would use. But we'll circle back eventually, probably, most likely. Most definitely. Okay, got the copy. That's good. You didn't mess with this, did you? I'm gonna keep this actually. I don't trust your BS. Dictionary. Config pi. Copy. Wait. Yes, better decoding. Decoding, language decoding. Okay. 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 Prompt. As it's then the custom wrapped. Prompt as it's already formatted. Alright. I wonder how Gwen or is gonna go. Although I don't have as many places to go anymore. Roll. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Do you resize? Yes. Awesome. Roll content. Roll content. Roll content. Maybe. Image dictionaries for visual models. Image dictionaries. I think don't think that's what it is, but
I'm gonna have to just deal with it.
Guided Jason. Play. Bala. Ba ba ba. Oh. Oh man. A single bass in the first mixing. But in the init. Logger. Agent organizer, current request ID. Load model. Load model.
Okay, my brain is
Already starting to get tired of this, so let's speedrun this. Load model instance logger info. Engine augs. Engine augs, async augs, engine augs.
ask alarm.
From engine augs, is a logger. Get fconfig users. Okay. Static method. Get up kind of. Yes. Dialog generator. No. Vision processor. Why the did you have to do that? Ah, Jesus Christ, what did you do?
Play shit tablet. Simply params.
Oh. Oh, this is disgusting. How do you do this? How do you do this? It doesn't look good at all. There's the position of assistant prompt I'm willing. Oh wait, that's the other guy. That's that guy.
How about this guy? I can't believe what this guy's been doing.
Have no custom wrapped self vision processor. Dude, you're not getting that. We expect the user not to be the mess. If they are the mess, then what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? And messages. No, they're already assumed. We're not gonna make a check. If the user can't use the device correctly, then I don't know. No problem. I may be on the I get a gut feeling I'll be on the receiving end of my own. Problem soon. It's gonna be great. Oh, you don't. I don't think you understand. I don't think you understand, little shit. I don't understand what this guy's even trying to do with my prompt. Stop messing with my prompts. What in the world is the point of your prompt? Shut it. 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 No, this is just prompt. I can't believe this guy. They will it? Wait a minute, am I? I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I can't believe it. I never noticed it, but I'm a fool. I can't believe I'm a bunch of fools. Ooh. Ah. Oh yeah. I don't want to do that after, but screw you, dude. Array vision processing. Yes, this is better. I enjoy this quite a bit. Generate Splapier hits. Generate some config. Oh, well, good. Unbelievable. No, you just... Can you see this fool? What a fool. It is... I don't know why it has sex... What a dick. Ah. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is true. Just because. Anyways, let's see. There's a dock. Did you decide the dock isn't important? Ah, look at this dick. Ah, this guy didn't even bother with the dock. You know, the dock is very important. Yeah, dipshit. Oh, that's the wrong guy. That's the other guy. Maybe wrong, but do not fret. Oh, it's because this guy doesn't have the dog. Why? Disgusting. Disgusting. That is a dialogue situation. If... Oh, wait. Cool. Warm up, try... Gun config. Actually gonna start asking for... Hello, pass. Memory. The cache. Okay, now we get to the origin. In super. Oh my goodness. No. There we go. There we go. Flip model? No. Yes. No. Okay, let's see the load models. Instance. If instance is with a model, then yeah, use those. If users, use them. Conversation is also initialized there. So all we need is very little work. Good engine. Okay, dialogue generator, prompt, assistant, custom wrapped, images, videos. Why is thou over there? You want move the custom wrapped soon. DM. Oh wait, you bastard. You rewrote all of that, yet you did not rewrite any of this. How could you do this to me? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You would do this to me. Update history. I can't believe it. It's a dick. Vision. Vision, please. Vision, please. Vision, please. On. I gotta do that. Ooh. 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 Oh. Yeah, that's sampling parameters. Yeah, look at that, you're still here. Look at you here. Look at you. Look at you, little one. Never touch my goddamn stuff again. You are to be clean, beautiful, and beautiful. Look at you. Beautiful. Fine. Close enough. Okay, there you go. Okay, everybody else is fine, I suppose, I presume. Am I stupid? Yes. I think I just realized the biggest mistake. Crap. Pretty sure I just screwed up royally. Whoops. My bad. Wait, no, you're processing them after the fact. Can I have the VLM example? It does apply the chat template immediately, and then the full prompt is yeah, which means I am indeed correcto. I'm not a fool. I'm not a fool. I am smart. I'm smart. Pop. Haha. Hee. Meow. Meow. The fuck? I'm not sure if this is necessary, the deal, but I suppose it's time to see if it works. As a wrapped? Oh yeah. Where would I put the custom wrap? It's a lower order one, I think. I'd say it's a low order one. Oh. I can't believe it. Wow. Ooh. Oh, duplicate. Ignore your duplication issues. Wow. Hold on. Okay. We're here. That's there. I'm here. That's there. I'm here. That's there. Get input. Oh, God. Since we're now all on the same page, we can go to the best part. You guys will all obey. Thanks. Very good. Very, very, very gosh. Well, I could just move it. ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't believe it. Film and of hers. Ah, yes. Blech. Ah, yes. That's, I don't get it. How could I have missed it this entire time? All this time. I had missed it. Wait, what the where do you go? Well, where do you exist? Wait a minute. On this whole system? Shebang? This exists randomly in the middle. I do not appreciate that bit. Also, I'm not I'm not in a much of a position to complain. Pop. So now that everything's finally in order, kind of question mark. You're technically supposed to work. I don't understand this. I don't like it for that very reason. So I'm gonna look into that. Oh, well, that's not even a parameter anymore. Immigrants generation gonna fag. Oh, yeah. No. I wonder if that actually works. Yes, do. Oh no, Kira Road. Oh no. Fish. Wait, you're in the roll? Oh man, how the guy got away with it? Oh. I see. I'm gonna assume roll. Conversation from Sedex. Can I put the conversation? Chat history? Which ha. Right. They're not shit. Oh, come on. Shit, he's not that. That is a button the bigger guy failure. Oh yeah. There ain't no more. True. You don't need that. You don't need most of those, my brother. Oh, yeah, it's running so far. How far will it run?
I can't believe it.
No. Sure. I'm gonna trust you on that. I told you I was gonna trust you.
I told you I was gonna trust you. Brother. Shalegs. Shell.
Okay. Now. No images. No images? No. It must. Universe. Okay. Oh. Ho. Everything works, I think. I knew we could get to a solution eventually. That feels a lot more streamlined. Okay, that also worked. So that means good stuff. Oh jeez, where's the grabby? Is it in the fish? Can't grab the fish. Or I can.
It's a bit unclear.
How much he wants to let me grab. Okay, but we don't have a video to provide really. Delta. Oh. I don't know. We don't actually need to have this here. This is not decided for used for this. Oh well. Yes. Yes. Hallo, en het wise. Kwarg. Like wog. Wonder if it works. Uh-oh. I really need to get a new mouse one day.
I never trust this. This right click is weird.
Or left click. Or right click. Right. Now that all of this presumably works. This is you today? Okay. Right. What do you mean? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Hello, bro. What's the issue? He only asked, hello, how can I assist you today? Last time I was talking about trying to sell me on some kind of weirdish stuff. I was doing some kind of sponsor segment. I don't know why. Still have no clue why. Had to sell me on some kind of audio thing, I think it was. I just said, hello, how can I assist you? Yeah, now it's not doing that. What the fuck? Last time I was so into whatever the other weird stuff was. I'm unsure why it has changed its mind. What happened last time to cause it to spaz out on me? Do weird stuff to me? Speak weird things to me? I do not know. Didn't these guys have exactly the exact information on batching? I was curious about the batching part. I mean, I won't probably be using it, but I am curious. So batched in rounds. 1 and 2 put in there. Then you apply them. Generate. I just trimmed. What about the coordinators? Huh? How do you batch coordinators? Oh, how do you batch with this? Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, I don't think we're getting past 256. I don't think we're getting to 256,000 tokens because of my GPU limits, my VRAM limits, my VRAM and RAM limits. Okay. Now that we are at this point, so we're in the shadows. Add. History data. Add process. Processors. Okay. Okay, let's see now. You won't be needing those. Interfaces, best upon and realm interface upon its status. Get commit. Get it? Commit? Ben's almost leaving again, huh? Highly improved. Highly improved. Okay, video support, and overall modularity improvements. History has history that handles. I'd have 4. Or handling multi-tone conversations. Used by default. It's by default. Default. Yes. The vessels, the oh. There's the fire updated. Auto set. Auto set. Vision processor. Set history. Have set history management. Story management. Okay. Dropped this vision model bool. What did we drop? Did we drop it? Drip modern? Drip? Drop? More than that? Ah. There's no less significant candle cleaner. I don't think that's necessary. Oh yeah. Damn. That's great. Update shit history. But good. Vision info? Process. Vision info. For all. Flow method. Will model separate vision method separately. Processing image and video data for VLM. VLM update shit history or multi-turn management. How's do you feel? How's helps wrapping. Having prompts. Videos in general. Dialogue. They'll want to generate rather significantly cleaner. Cleaner. Cleaner, not only cleaner. I don't need to explain everything. I'll have to be in the future. Up to the me in the future that exists. Modified? Model utility? Ah, yeah, that's the good. Model utilities? What's the difference in here? Eh. 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 What did I do? I don't know. Get started, get started. Oh. Okay, nothing else. I just need to push this and then we can destroy this. Then we can merge and push and escape. Merge and escape. Yes, yes. Yes. Ha ha ha. Unlock cleaner code. Cleaner system. I can break more things. Outside of it. I have to go to interface and be like, hey, I need to modify something. This is gonna be easier. Because I don't really need to modify anything else other than a conversation system. Ooh. Good. Now that we have git, yes, begin troubleshoot, git push. Shoot. Set upstream origin HE. Yeah, I should have pushed a lot more. Never did. How will I ever know what that is? Oh, wait, I actually know what that is. Well, I know what it is. No, I don't. I know where to find it. But I don't want to. Okay, git checkout. What's the good branches? Checkout. Oh, it's the main branch. Come on. I remember what I'm made. Wait, okay, how do I merge? How do I merge? How do I merge? How do I merge? I don't actually, if you haven't figured it already, I don't actually do this a whole lot of times. If you somehow haven't figured out that I don't often push, even though I should. Git merge branches. Merge branches. Brrr. Nah. Fast forward default. Squash badge. Check out switch. There's a switch? But why switch? What the hell is the point of switch? Just push. I don't wanna keep giving it. One day I'll figure out how to stop that. That day is not today. Okay, we can get pull origin, bad, just in case. Oh my god, you're big. You're shitting me. Already up to date. Unbelievable. Get merge. Name a branch to merge. Basic video. Ring. Push. We keep coming back to this. Okay. I'm gonna go check out how that guy did. I have no, I'm in the dark. I'm in the dark. Okay. 6 minutes to go. That's not good. Oh, yeah, the 6 minutes. Yeah, sure. It has all of them. It has all conflicts. That's the first time in ever, I think ever, that I've merged without conflicts. That is unbelievable. Yes. No conflicts. Awesome. Awesome. But you can cancel it. La 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 la. Yes. Yes. We have a weapon of the greatest caliber. Hey, let's do this. I'm always gonna go to history. Oh, you still have the oof. Rough. Maximum is this is I'm gonna set the default to if you didn't bother to bring your own, then default's gonna be 2, I think. History is unlimited. And now the vision point, it doesn't have anything. Resist. Where is it? And then disgusting. Why is that an in the face? This is in the face. Yeah. Let's shut it. Get shutters. Get no, these are important shit. Well, unimportant. Remote. Under code. People. Limit. Wait. Should it? Does it even do? Does it? history. Assumes user isn't planning on. Actually, shh. Rules. Assumes you. Get the push. Get the push. No, the key comes again. The key. Out of nowhere. The key. I swear I'm gonna crash out on this key. That's tough. This is H. Wait. Wrong thing. Okay, now we have all of it. Which means we can do so many more nice things. Woohoo! Woohoo! Damn. I'm gonna check here. Do I miss anything? Like a prompt revelation messages, images, yep, that's pretty much what I did. That's pretty much what is front wrapper. Hey. Kind of only compatible with it. That was fixed. Okay, those are fixed too. Game capture. Single frame capture. I don't have that. Navigation videos, that's different stuff. Okay. Yeah. But thinking. I'm thinking it's so good. Okay, I think everything works. Works out nicely. So I think we're done here for today. We're gonna do or pools, free as pools, I think. For blue account, baby. Oh, let me be free, man. Give me freedom. Oh yeah. You don't hear shit, do you? I'm still early in the morning. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll come back with the game. Who knows? Do I get freebies? What is this? Oh, 70 hours. No, please, no, that's so rude. Yes, dude. I get free 20. I'm not getting 20. Did I miss a day or something?
What did I? Was I? Wait. When was I here? When was I here?
Approve. Hold on, 5 of them.
신분은 어디에 계신가요? 주인님과 함께 신나는 화난 건 아니니 오해하지
Do I have a? She's new. Yes.
설명과
There it is.
필요하다면
This.
오크소라 아야네입니다. 자경단 임무의 연장인가요? 프로미세리카야.
Damn.
정의 실현부의 하네카와 발키리 경찰학교의 키르노입니다. 손을 들고 공관의 지시에 따라
The last recruitment, I guess. What can I do with 100 recruitment points? Do I get anything? Can I do anything with them? What do I do with? Oh, only one. Jeez.
역경이 발생되면
What in the world?
도전해드리죠.
I got what? Ah, fuck. Was I using? Ah, I was using the wrong one. Shh. Well. First time reward available. Well, I don't really have to do that. Man, I managed to really miss the ball on it. Oh, what can I do with the where is thingies? Ooh, free. I like free stuff. No, oh, it's opposite day. But I have 1,000 of those. Ooh. Okay, this is recruitable. Well, can I use them? Please. I need 200, you kidding me? I own 1 ticket. Do I get just 1? I think, yeah, that was the point. Never mind.
책에 담긴 이야기처럼 우리의 이야기가 시작됩니다.
Yes.
I gotta have it. I gotta have say I have. Please, come on. I'll either brute force it. Or,
예헨나 급양부의 줄이라고 해요.
yeah, well, brute force it.
배고프면 제게 꼭 말씀해
I
주셔야
just
해요.
need more.
What is the butt doing? Get out of here, butt. Whatever happened to that mortal kicks? Did he die?
시련이 두렵다면, 역경이 버겁다면
Hey, we must keep going.
도전해드리죠.
I gotta have sex to say. Please.
주인님과 함께 신나는 하루 시작합니다.
Anybody do? Anybody do? Do you got stand? Okay, well, we got six left. This costs like 12,000.
자경단 임무의 연장인가요? 트리니티의 안전을 위해서라면 얼마든지 협력하겠습니다.
Well, not that I need paragazines. Just gonna say that. After I get Seiya.
I'm kind of out of ideas.
제가 와도 괜찮은 걸
I nobody do. I'll take anybody do as well.
생각되면
Please, brother, please.
말씀해 주세요. 예헨나 급양부의 줄이라고 해요. 배가 고프면
Leave.
제게
I can't
말씀해
believe.
주셔야 해요.
Three goals.
내 가능성은 엄청나게 크니까.
Baby do? Anybody do? I did Nick once.
다치신 분은 어디에 계신가요? 제가 바로 찾아갈게요.
Damn. Okay, well, at least the last one. Ooh. Let's all watch the last one. Approve. Oh, I got something shiny. Something shiny.
변부의 줄이라고 해요. 제가
Who's the shiny? Isn't this... Holy crap.
정예실현부.
How's a swimsuit?
아니,
Thank you.
무슨 바다에
Damn.
멋없는 인사를 했네요. 한익
아.
승희입니다.
Well, this isn't
잘 부탁드립니다.
December, Hallie.
주인님과 함께 신나는 하루. 게헨나 급양부의 설명과 해설이 필요한. 설명과 해설이 필요한.
Based on this, I'm assuming Seiya swimsuit is also
우리 평안하신지요?
one of those super shiny ones.
드디어 등.
But
이제 재밌게 놀자, 선생님.
as music, the breath, hell yeah, that was worth every second. Every paroxysm it was worth. Why did I end up getting ahead of it? Say please, please. Hello. My prince into the net. Oh,
기다리셨나요?
goody.
선생님? 아니죠. 기다린 건 저겠네요.
Belly button. Hell yeah. That was worth every paroxysm in the existence, I must say. Okay. That was good times. Good times. Sexy times. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't wish. I want to check my inventory. I had these. I have no idea where to use these. Where would it be used?
해주겠어? 아니, 내가 아니라 이래.
One remaining? One. I touched them. I touched them. I touched them. How do I touch them? How do I touch them? How do I touch anything in this universe? What is this? What did I get?
너무
What is it
그런
using those? The calculators for these tickets?
저게
Okay, I get it. Play a game. I'll take whatever I can get. I don't know how good this is or bad. I just assume I'm great. Hell yeah. I really need to collect these many times. Can't I max out? Can't I just max out? Like 10 for 800. Oh, I'm already done.
그러니까
What do you mean I can't?
끝났어.
I'm sold out. Oh, please. Oh. Well. I didn't look. Now, if you expect me to understand anything I was doing, you're sorely mistaken.
저기
Okay, exactly one more time. Oh yeah. That's good, bad, who knows?
그러니까 나는 괜찮으니까.
Hell yeah. Yeah, the cafe. Might as well. May as well. Wait. What? Wait. Idea.
잼없이 홍차를? 독특한 답법이네요.
Think about me. Think about me. Possibilities. Think about the possibilities, me. Think about the possibilities. Now, how do I switch? How do I switch? Oh.
And we switch to the other skin. I don't understand anything I do.
I'm not really looking for the mysterious eyes stuff. Show an info? Show a profile. Maybe that'll help. 411. Damn. That's something in centimeters.
I don't understand, but I don't do anything.
How do you switch the skins? How do you switch anything? How do you do anything? Oh, she's right here. Wait, is this different? Is it different from my other side? My base side? Are you dealing with being handled as different characters, not just skin? Not a skin system? So this should mean.
잼없이 홍차를
Hell yeah.
독특한 답법이네요. 드라이브라도 함께 하시겠어요?
Hell yeah.
제가 태워다 드리죠.
So beautiful. I can't grab it.
Can't grab it.
Shh. Can I gift? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
뭐라도 사드릴까요? 괜찮다고요.
Wait, 8 of 8?
선생님.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Do the gifts be specific? Do they work if the better than if they're specific? Better if they're specific. I think more. I made her I would like the game console. Game Boy. I don't have that. That was great stuff. I'm out of here. Bye bye. See you sometime. Whenever that is. Wait, tomorrow's what? Oh, tomorrow. I'll be still here tomorrow.